With the two-stage launch vehicle spectrum, ESA Aerospace offers flexible and low-cost space access for small satellites and satellite constellations. Our solution is fully developed and manufactured in-house. More than 90% of our funding source and production, as well as development cost, is within Europe. We're using clean-burning propellants, are working on a reusable first stage, and are implementing a time and cost-efficient, fully automated production process. We offer competitive pricing and launch services to our customers, and we've already signed firm launch agreements with both institutional as well as commercial customers. Our first launch is targeted towards the end of next year. The EIC Horizon Prize is a great tool to strengthen commercially driven initiatives and to foster competition, and we at ESA Aerospace fully support that.
PLD Space was founded in 2011 with the aim of being the commercial solution for launching small sats from Europe and to Europe. During the last 10 years, we have faced challenges, we failed, we learned, and we succeeded. We have grown and we're still growing to be a key player in the European space industry. Thanks to the Mura program, we're in a very good position to be the new Europe's launcher company, the European micro-launcher company. We have a unique opportunity of being part of the space revolution, and this prize can contribute to change our history, the European space history and its competitiveness.
Well, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Again, very happy to be here for a very specific moment of our very special day today. I would like to start by saying something that I said already this morning. Europe is a space power, but like any space power, it needs to ensure its autonomous access to space. And we know that micro-launchers solutions are booming in Europe, which is a very good news. Of course, Europe needs and will continue to need strategic launchers like Ariane and Vega for all its institutional requirements. But we also need new and complementary solutions. Small launcher solutions can provide, we know, flexibility and also responsiveness and, let's say, affordability. They can, and we know that, foster innovation and, in that perspective, contribute to change the business model of space launch services in the long term. As we are about to embark in a new project to change the business model of space launch services in the long term, we all believe that with all the proposals that we have on the table, let's say, for example, with the Space Connectivity Program, with its LEO satellites, as well as also new generation satellites, the institutional demand for small or smaller launchers, let's say, will also increase. So from the three presentations that we have just seen, we can see that the EU industry of launchers, in particular for micro and mini launchers, is very promising. I will say that without any more time, we must ensure that we have indeed micro launcher solutions in the EU. Under the pilot phase of European Innovation Council, we launched a contest to reward the most innovative, cost-effective and commercially viable solution. This solution should offer dedicated low-cost launch services for light satellite into low Earth orbit and optimize European technological non-dependence, which is very important for us. In total, we received more than 15 applications. They were all evaluated and ranked by an independent jury on the basis of 3 criteria: excellence, technical implementation, and service sustainability. The 3 highest scoring applications were selected as finalists and invited to demonstrate their solution through a virtual on-site visit and hearing meeting with all the members of the jury. We had at least, let's say, 3 excellent and very promising EU solutions that will definitely support our ambition in space. The first solution proposed by ESA Aerospace, which is developing Spectrum, a high-performance 2-stage launch vehicle based on clean propulsion designed for light satellites. The second solution proposed by PLD Spaces, which is developing MUA-5, a reusable orbital micro-launchers dedicated to small satellites launched from a European spaceport in Kourou. And the third solution proposed by Rocket Factory, which is developing RFA-1, a very cost-effective launch vehicle for precise in-orbit delivery and stage combustion propulsion systems. So first, I would like, of course, to congratulate the 3 finalists. They did a fantastic job. They do a fantastic job. And I would like to tell them that they have an amazing entrepreneurship spirit and mindset, which makes me extremely not only proud but confident for the future. And all your 3 solutions are definitely extremely promising, and this is the sort of spirit, let's say, that I would like to see and that we will see, hopefully more in Europe. But let me now turn to the winner of the EIC prize on a low-cost space launch. So the winner is here. I see him. He's waiting maybe for a big check. The winner is Daniel Metzler from ESA Aerospace. Very well done, Daniel. Very proud of you. So you can come on stage. Congratulations. We do it this way. Bravo. I mean, he's a fantastic entrepreneur. I know almost, not all the entrepreneurs, but a bunch of them. But Daniel is really a fantastic entrepreneur. So congratulations, Daniel. I'm very proud of what you did. You proposed solutions which was, I believe, the most innovative today. This is a jury who decided that, and I think the jury was right. With a solid technical maturity, and we will be impressed with his personal technical maturity. He looks young, but he's very, I know that, extremely competent in all technical aspects. You could spend hours with him. He will explain all details. And I'm sure that your solution will greatly contribute, Daniel, to supporting our European ambition in space by contributing to an autonomous, reliable, and cost-effective access to space. So, Daniel, I have a small check for you, but a big figure. So that's 10 million euros, signed by, of course, my colleague and friend Maria Gabriel. She was not able to be here, but of course she was extremely involved, and She is a fantastic commissioner for research, and by myself. And this money for you, Daniel.
Thank you very much.
That's a lot of money. So I know that you will make good use of it. So
We will,
congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Maybe you can go here. Daniel. Voilà. I think, Daniel, you will be able to put this in your office. Huh? And in the bank too. Voilà. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Commissioner.
And you can take it for you.
Thank you.
Voilà. Bravo. Daniel, you want to say a few words?
Yeah, thank you very much to you, Commissioner Breton, also to the European Commission and all the experts for hosting such a prize money. I think it's also a new approach on how we award technical maturity, entrepreneurship out of Europe. I think, as we heard already before, we have great talent, we have great companies and startups in Europe. I think also the challenge we face is actually bringing them from a research and university center to the actual commercial markets, which the EIC prize, I think, is actually a very, very great way to foster that competition and to foster that technical entrepreneurship. And obviously for us, it's a great honor to receive the prize and the award and the recognition of the technical solution and commercially viable low-cost solution that we have put in place over the course of the last 3 years. And then just looking back, 3.5 years ago, we were basically a team of, I would almost call 3 students.
Almost in a garage.
Actually in a garage, yeah. And we basically learned to set up a company, set up a team. As of today, we're more than 230 employees, with all being located within the European Union to develop all those technologies. And we really wanted to have a strong technical maturity and the know-how for everything out of Europe. And this is also why we set out to do everything internally, from our entire rocket engine development, the software with which we develop our rocket engines, the entire structures development, the electronics and software development. And so it's a great honor to receive the prize and the recognition of the European Commission. Thank you very much, Commissioner.
Bravo, Daniel. Congratulations, and congratulations to your team.
Thank you very much.
Bravo.